Hey everyone. In today's video, we're going to tackle a common issue on TikTok that many users encounter, the photo swipe not working glitch. Let's jump right in. Alright. Let's open up our TikTok application on your mobile device. Once you're in, tap on that little plus button to open your camera. And select a couple of photos from your gallery. I've got 3 here, and as you can see, I have the swipe animation working perfectly. But if you don't have this feature, don't panic. Here's what you need to do. First, go back to your TikTok profile. Now, tap on the 3 horizontal lines, and then click on the Settings and Privacy. Now, scroll all the way down until you find the Free Up Space option. Open it up. In here, make sure to clear both the cache and the downloads. Sometimes, the app might be holding onto outdated files, causing issues. Once you've done that, exit TikTok. Now, head over to your device's Settings app. Now, scroll down, and you will see General button. Click on it. In the General section, find iPhone storage. Look for TikTok in the list and tap on it. You'll see an option to offload app. Click that. What this does is it clears unnecessary data that might be causing the problem. Once offloaded, click on Reinstall. Wait a few seconds, and you'll have a fresh installation of TikTok that's up to date. Now, when you open the app, you should see the photo swipe feature working like a charm. And there you have it. That's how you fix the TikTok photo swipe not working issue. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching.